Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming basics so changes matter. First, open Quick Settings and raise the system slider to 100. Press the dedicated volume keys to ensure hardware control works. Next, connect any external speakers or headphones and choose the correct output in sound settings so audio routes properly. Once done, check for and install Chrome OS updates. Updates can include audio driver fixes. Make sure developer or experimental flags aren't interfering before moving to amplification steps. Now you'll increase effective loudness using software. Install a reputable equalizer extension or a web-based audio processor and set a gentle gain plus a low-mid shelf to bring presence forward without clipping. If you have a USB DAC or external amp, switch output to it for headroom and crisper peaks. Also inspect per-app volume in Chrome tabs and disable any normalization or limiter features so your boosts aren't automatically reduced. Once comfortable, save presets for quick recall. Finish by choosing the right hardware when software adjustments aren't enough. Plug powered speakers or a Bluetooth speaker with independent volume. They provide more clean output than internal Chromebook speakers. If using wired gear, replace cheap cables and test different USB ports or an external DAC to rule out poor power or interference. If you hear distortion, reduce software gain, enable a limiter or roll off extreme EQ bands. If problems persist, swap the speaker or adapter. That usually fixes hard.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.